Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 15 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2698. Find the punishment number of an integer. Okay, so let's read the problem statement first. We have given a positive integer n. Okay, we have to return the punishment number of n. The punishment number of n is defined as the sum of the squares of all the integers I, such that I is ranging from 1 to n. Okay, the decimal representation of I into I can be partitioned into contiguous substrings such that the sum of the integer value of these substrings equals to I. Okay, like let's suppose you have a number 9. Okay, and if I do the square of this, okay, let's say this is I. So if I do the square of this 9, that is nothing but n 9 into 9, that is I into I. Okay, and what is the total value that I'm going to get here? 9 to 9, it is nothing but 81. And if I just partition it, okay, so if I just do the summation of this one, okay, partition into contiguous substrings such that the sum of integer value of these substrings, okay, so 8 plus 1, if I do, I will get 9. Okay, again, so this 9 is equal to this 9, okay, original. So that simply means that this is a valid case, right? So this is what we need to do here. Okay, for all the numbers, for all the i's ranging from 1 to n. Okay, now see this example number 2, I think. Okay, so n is equal to 37 in this case. All right, so 1 to 37 we have to check all the numbers. Okay, so 1 square is 1 into 1, 1 only. Okay, so this one is similar to this one. Okay, 9. Okay, we have already covered this scenario. 9 into 9, 81, and 81 can be partitioned into 8 plus 1, and we will get 9 again. Okay, so this is done. Then 10, since 10 into 10 is 100, so here, and 100 can be partitioned into 10 plus 0. Okay, 10 plus 0, we divide it here, so again we are getting 10, so this is valid. Then 36, since 36 into 36 is equal to 1296, and 1296 can be partitioned into 1 plus 29 plus 6, and we are again getting 36. Okay, and here what I'm doing, here I'm just doing the summation of these numbers: 1, 81, 100, and 1296. Okay, and 1478 is the output. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Okay, we have to find the punishment number of an integer. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with the problem statement and one example, right? So now how we are going to do this? Okay, so let's see that. So one thing is clear, I have to iterate for all the numbers from 1 to n, 1 to 37 in this case. Okay, 1 to 37 I will iterate. Okay, and I will check all the numbers, like first 1, then 2, then 3, 4. Okay, I will check all the numbers. Okay, 9, 10, then 36, 37. I will check all the numbers one by one. Okay, and these are the numbers which are going to be valid: 1, 9, 10, and 36. So I will just add the square of these and will return my output. Okay, so first thing is iterate over all the numbers, and then how you are going to check whether this 36 is valid, or this 9 is valid, this 1 is valid, or 10 is valid. Okay, how you are going to check? Okay, so let's understand this. Okay, so what is the square of 36 and 36? Okay, so I will get one number, 1296. Okay, 1296. Okay, this is my number. So I will just convert this number to a string. Okay, so now I will convert this number to a string. Okay, so here let me just give the indexing. 0 index, at 0 index we have character 1. Okay, we have number 1. Okay, you can say at 1 we have 2, at 2 we have 9, and at 3 we have 6. Okay, so here I'm going to call one is valid method. Okay, is valid method. Okay, and in this is valid method I'm just going to pass this string. Okay, 1296, and I want this 1296. Okay, I want to partition it, and I want the summation to be equal to 36. Okay, this 36 is nothing but it is going to be my target. Okay, so this is nothing but my string, let's say x. This 36 is nothing but my target, and then I'm going to start from index 0. Okay, and here my current sum initially okay, I is going to be 0 only. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do here. All right. Okay, so now here, now let's find out whether how we are going to get 1296 as 36. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here I'm going to run one loop. Okay, and my j, let's suppose my j is at index 0 right now. Okay, so here if I take this as my current number, only one. Okay, so current number is one. Okay, so here if I take just one, okay, in this case if I just take one, okay, I can start with 1 2 as well. Okay, if I take 1 2 in the beginning, okay, this is one case. Okay, or I can take 1 2 9 in the beginning. Okay, this is one case. Or I can take 1 2 9 6 in the beginning. Okay, complete. Okay, these are the different possibilities right here. If I just pick this one in the starting and then check the sum for the later part of string. Okay, if I take 12 and then check the later part, if I take 1 to 9 and then check the later part. But here definitely if I pick 1 to 9 I will not get a target 36. Okay, 1 to 9 is greater than this 36. Okay, so no need to check this path. Okay, no need to check this path. Okay, so we have these two paths. Okay, so here if this is the case, okay, now in the is valid method, next time I am searching for 1296. Okay, this is my string. Okay, and my target is this, and next time my index is going to be j plus 1. Okay, j plus 1, that is 1. Okay, if I pick this one in the starting. Okay, and now my current sum is going to be initially it was 0, current sum was 0, and now if I just pick this one, so my current sum is going to 1. Okay, then I have to break it down this part. Okay, but here let's suppose if I pick this 1 2, then 1296, okay, is the case, and 36 is my target. And next time if I pick 1 2 as a whole, okay, the next time my j is going to be at this index, so 2, and here my current sum is going to be 12. Okay, so these two are the scenarios that we have to check. Okay, this is a tree. Okay, now let's suppose I want to solve this part. Okay, let's say I'm trying to solve this part first. Okay, so here I am already at this index. Okay, I am already at this index. Okay, at this particular index. So here what are the different options I have? Okay, what are the different options I have? So I can pick this two. Okay, I can pick this two, right? So if I pick this two, okay, if I pick this two, okay, this is one option. If I pick this two, if I pick this 2 9, this is one option. And if I pick this 2 9 and 6 as a whole, okay, so these are the three options that I have, right? And now if I pick this 2, then my current sum is going to become 3 here. Okay, current sum is going to become 3 here. Okay, and if I pick 2 9, then my current sum is going to become 30 here. Okay, and if I pick 296, then my current sum is going to become 297. Okay, total sum as of now, this is not the valid case. Okay, so we go out of bound, right? We need just until 36 now. 297 is much bigger than 36. Okay, so here if I pick just 2, okay, so next time if I want to write, I can write it like this: 1 2 9 6 is my original string, 36 is my target. And now if I pick just this 2, then my j is going to be at this position next time. Okay, so j is at 2 and my current sum is 3. Okay, this is one case that we have checked. And here in this part, 1296 is my string. Okay, and 36 is the target. And now if I pick this 2 9 as a whole, so next time my I is going to be, or j, okay, j you can say, or I, okay, whatever you want. So it is going to be at 6 now, which is nothing but my index 0 1 2 3. Okay, so index 3 and my current sum is right now is 30. Okay, this is what we need to check. Same way you have to do this. Okay, but now let me just solve this part. Okay, so now instead let's say I pick this. Okay, instead of this, let's say I pick this. Okay, first instead of this. Okay, all right, so now you have total sum as 30. Okay, and you have just this option now, 6. Okay, you have just one option. Okay, so you are going to add this 6 to 30, so you will get 30 plus 6 36. Okay, so it is returning true here. That simply means it's valid now. So if you take 36, okay, if you take 36 here, then in the next part 1296, 36 is this, and you are now out of bound. Okay, so this is 4 and here you get 36. Okay, so now here you will check, okay, after adding this 6. Okay, so here you will check if your index, okay, if this j is equal to the this string 1296. Okay, this string's length, so this string length is 4. Okay, so these both are equal, then return true if the current sum, okay, if the current sum here, okay, at this particular position, if it is equal to target, okay, both are matching, then return true. Okay, this is what we need to do, right? So this is the code that I'm going to write now. Okay, so let's move to the coding part. Okay, so here same story, whatever I explained, I'm going to do that only. Okay, int sum is equal to 0. Okay, then after this we have to run one loop for int I is equal to starting from 1. Okay, I is less than equal to n and I plus plus, and here you have to write first, just calculate the square. Okay, what is the square of this? So I into I, and then after that just call one helper method. Okay, so in the if condition, if is valid, okay, and here inside this you are just going to pass the string. Okay, you are just going to change this number to a string. Okay, string dot value of, right, and here you have to pass square. Okay, and here I, okay, I is nothing but a target. Okay, and here 0, so I, we can say target now, so right, we can say this as target when we are checking for 36. So my I is at 36. Okay, that is why I am checking, taking this as my target. Okay, right, so here 0, or 0 is nothing but my current index. Okay, and here 0 again for my current sum. Okay, so if this is valid, then in that case we have to add that value to my sum. Okay, sum is equal to sum plus square. All right, and here you have to simply return sum. Okay, here you have to simply return sum. Okay, this is done. Clear until now? Now after that, just write this method, very simple. So boolean type you have to write. Okay, private boolean is valid. Okay, and inside this what are you passing? We are passing one string. Okay, let's name it as x or s or whatever you want, int, then you are passing target. Okay, and after that you are passing the index, and then after that you are passing the current sum. Okay, so here what you need to do. Okay, so one base condition. Okay, so once my index becomes equal to the string length, okay, then I told you, just check whether my target is equal to current sum. Okay, so here if this is the case, then just return current sum is equal to target. Okay, this is one base condition, and here take int num is equal to 0. Okay, and then run one loop for int j is equal to 0, place at 0, j should be less than here x dot length, and after that just write j plus plus. Okay, and now here you have to find update the number. Okay, number is equal to number into 10 plus x dot char at j, okay, minus 0. Okay, so we just convert the character to a number. Okay, so this is going to my number. Okay, first 1, then 1 2 it will take, then 129 it will take, 1296 it will take, in case my I is 36, my target is 36. Okay, so here if, just check again if is valid. Okay, so for all the scenarios here, again we are calling is valid here, is valid here. Again for this I'm calling is valid here. Okay, so here if is valid, and now X target. Okay, this is not changing, and here my j is going to be j plus 1. Okay, whatever the j that we are going to take here. Okay, if just one value, then j is going to go in 1. If two value, okay, j is 1. So two values 1 2, so here j will be next index. Okay, 0 plus 1 plus 2, 2 index. Okay, so for 1. Okay, so here see now, if I'm taking just 1, so here the index is 1. If I'm taking 1 2, so here index is 2. Here if I'm taking 1 2 9, the index will be the next one. Okay, this 3, right? So that's what I'm saying. And here current sum is going to be updated now. Current sum plus the num. Okay, so here if it is valid, so here then it is going to return true. Okay, and once we are done with this complete loop, okay, and if we didn't return true as of now, just return false. That's it. Now let's run the code and see if there are code issues. We'll try to fix that. Yes, there are some issues, so let's try to fix that. It should not be 0 now. Here it should be starting from index only, right? So now let's run it and see. Okay, so now all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.